Rebel neutralized.
Monsieur, I will fight them on the ground.
Understood, Marquis.
He's right here! I got him!
Monsieur! Shotgunner coming out of the building! More rebels! In the courtyard! Monsieur, I will fight them on the ground.
Understood, Marquis.
Non, monsieur.
That did some damage.
Monsieur, shotgunner! This is most exciting.
Keep them busy while I get the rear. Damn it! Reloading! Keep their heads down!
Rebel neutralized. I'm reloading. Shit. Shotgunner down.
Give me cover! I'm closing in on him!
Targets down.
Monsieur, grenadier!
Grenade. Shit! Grenade! Damn! Grenade! Bloody grenade! Reloading! Enemy down!
They're killing us!
We need to keep moving and get off the streets.
Wait!
A little help with the wagon, monsieur? A little help with the wagon, monsieur?
Percival. Percival, do you read me?
Save your breath, monsieur. The buildings are blocking the signal.
The curse of progress. Hand me your monocular. I can see our target. The hospital is 2 miles west.
Do you see our comrades?
Not yet. The overhead rail tracks seem to have collapsed here. There. It must be them.
Shall we join the soirée?
Let's invite a few friends, shall we? Air Command, this is Galahad. I need response from anyone in the vicinity of Whitechapel. Air Command, this is Galahad.
Think, monsieur.
You copy?
We are without sanction here. The Lord Chancellor will be most displeased. Lafayette does not fancy a court-martial.
We'll worry about that later.
Sir Galahad, this is Sentinel-5. We are 3 leagues northeast of Whitechapel. Please state directives.
Sentinel-5, this is Galahad. We require air support on standby.
Acknowledged, Sir Galahad. We are signaling blue-red at a 1-second interval. We request your visual confirmation for heading change. Sir Galahad, this is Sentinel-5. We have visual confirmation of your position. Heading change to 224 degrees. Assuming holding pattern above Whitechapel in 8 minutes.
Acknowledge Sentinel-5. Await further orders at location.
Let's go. The smell of pestilence.
The Parisian slums are more fragrant, I suppose.
Merde smells like merde, monsieur. Anywhere in the world. After you. Lafayette! Not to worry, monsieur. I'm all right. Would not our time be better spent hunting half-breeds?
Patience, Marquis.
This word again. Patience. Always patience.
Reloading! Leave that, Jimmy! Get going! Come on, I'll cover our bases. Yes, sir! Come on, let's go! Move! Come on, move!
Oh, shit! One of them is right here!
Constable! Keep your head down!
My friend, the constable needs our help.
Stop for a pint, did you?
We encountered some resistance.
The rebels are better armed than we expected. There's markings. Look familiar.
It's one of ours. Where'd you find this?
Follow me.
Mon Dieu. There is enough firepower here for a small army.
Some of this ordnance was manufactured for the Order. Igraine even found an arc gun in here.
I was unaware that we had lost some of our inventory.
We haven't. Here, give me a hand with this one. See what's in there.
What did you find?
Essex M86. Thermite rifle. They saw their first field action a few weeks ago. This one hasn't been assigned yet. How did the rebels get their hands on these?
I'm making it my business to find out.
Begging your pardon, sir. You need it upstairs.
That's our cue.
I believe Mademoiselle requires our attention.
Igraine, we're in position!
About time!
Move out!
What took you all so long?
Knights, engaging Wills!
Understood.
I'm reloading.
On the roof!
I see them.
We need backup! These bloody rebels are numbered!
Inspector!
There! That door! That's always
Inspector! No!
We have to help him! Cover me!
Igraine, lay down suppressive fire!
All clear! Bring him inside!
Take his arms. Gently, monsieur.
I have him. Ready. Let's move him.
Bringing reinforcements!
We're sitting ducks out here.
Here comes another!
Monsieur, only a few more feet to go.
We're clear. Move in.
Igraine, go!
Help me with that bookcase.
That went well.
Galahad, find us a way out of here.
Working on it.
How bad is it?
A punctured lung, I think. Another bullet through the stomach.
Just rest easy, son. You're going to be all right.
The rebels are regrouping.
I think I've found our way out. Everyone stand back. Igniting! Can we move him?
It no longer matters, monsieur.
Save your prayers, Lafayette. There is no God to help him.
Come on. Let's go.
We're only a few hundred yards away.
And these rebel gobshites will be waiting for us.
Don't let them get any further!
Rebel down! Rebel target down!
Let's get on with it. We're losing precious time.
Nom de Dieu! Who built this fucking town? Dead ends everywhere!
Quite the shortcut. Brilliant. What now?
Lafayette, monocular.
They're hiding behind those columns!
We need to press forward now. There's a weak spot in the tracks. If I can get up there, I should be able to bring the structure down. Igraine, Lafayette, I'll need you to provide cover. Percival, with me.
We need to take their thermite position out!
I don't have a clear shot! Looking around, look out!
Targets down!
Give me a hand with this.
Ready?
Galahad, use the thermite to bring the bridge down.
Lafayette, stand ready. The path should be cleared shortly.
The thermite is in place. Watch yourselves below.
Looks like the rebels are retreating.
Let's move forward.
We are advancing toward target. Find a way to join us.
Understood. Hey, where's your commanding officer?
Over there. Come.
Sergeant,
Sir, what Her Majesty's Knights do?
why haven't you secured the perimeter?
We heard things up there. Safe to stay back.
Bugger safety.
Do you hear that?
Where are the rest of the rebels?
Exactly. It's dead silent. Something's not right. Galahad, did you?
I saw it.
So what?
Half-breeds.
They're converging from the hospital.
We need to disperse them, quickly.
Call it in.
Sentinel-5, this is Galahad. Do you copy?
Sir Galahad, this is Sentinel-5. On standby.
Sentinel-5, requesting an immediate sonar payload drop.
Confirming Galton payload deployment. Requesting visual beacon for target location.
Damn it. Who has a transmitter?
Here, monsieur. Use my communicator.
Well, the lad's useful after all.
Locking on beacon. Releasing anchor. Galton deployment in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Incoming! All devices off!
1.
That's our window. Go! Find out where these bloody things are coming from. I'll cover the rear!
Monsieur! You will need this. Be careful, my friends.
Always, Marquis.
Let's hope these work.
What does your fabled instinct tell you now?
I'd say we should be prepared for anything.
Nothing special in that. Admit it. You're getting rusty.
God's blood.
What could have happened here?
Our bedlamites again, I'd say. No telling how many they might have killed in their escape.
Look, there. Such indiscriminate slaughter. I've never seen its like before.
The exit is on the other side. Let's find another way through. Weapons out.
Fuck! He's right on top of me! I got you.
Weapons out.
What the hell? Fuck! Rebels, you...
We're clear. The gate is opened. We have a way through. Stay alert.
Fuck! We've got trouble coming.
Oh, piss off already! Shoot them! Kill them!
Rebel down!
There! Be on the lookout. There might be more.
Knights inbound!
Shit.
Up there! On the generator!
There!
We're almost there. Let's hope there are no more distractions along the way.
This way.
What is it? Who's Percival talking to?
No one. Just some old sod off the street.
Well, let's move. It's only a matter of time before the Lycans regroup and return. So much for the London hospital. To think this was once the flagship of our
These
medical
patients have been
expertise.
mauled. The Lycans weren't the only ones to run rampant here. Time has taken its toll on this place.
Hey, mate.
Izzy,
Did you hear something?
we have company.
I could have sworn someone was talking.
Targets down!
What in the world are they doing?
They may be be more to this hospital than we suspected. We should keep moving.
Gray, one of us should search the basement.
Agreed. I'll head downstairs.
All right, I'll go this way. Get on the comm if you find anything.
Green, come in. The power's out in the basement.
It's the same here.
Proceed with caution.
I believe it.
Pete, Izzy, I can barely make you out. Izzy! Izzy, we have a problem. Damn it. It's me, Izzy.
I lost you on the comm. Where are you?
Triage room. I found a mark. An elder.
An elder? Here? This doesn't make sense.
Let's hurry. The half-breed is hurt and out for blood. Can you open the gate?
I'm trying.
Find something to pry it open. I'll clear the debris on this side.
All right. Great!
Huh?